on, Caps? This is Mikey Productions. Well, I just got home from the Yak program, which it was really fun. And every time I go there, it's just the cafeteria food's great. And I eat pizza every day there. Not every day, but sometimes I eat cheesesteaks. They have like cheeseburgers and fries. They have everything. They even mozzarella sticks. They pretty much have everything at the technically it's actually Rowan College at South Jersey, but you know, there's the ACT program that's part of the college, and you have to walk around campus to each classroom. But since I'm in one building, I go to each classroom in one building this semester. Maybe the second semester, which starts in January, maybe I'll be able to go back and forth, hopefully. But should be exciting because eventually I'm going to do job sampling. I'm going to eventually get maybe a part-time job, and let's hope I get a dream job in the future. So it would be my full-time job, which is what you're watching right now, MCP, which is behind his logo right here. So that might be a business in the future. Who knows? Hopefully I can make it like that. But that's my goal. So anyway, in this video, which this weekend, is that Mom's actually going to perform at Adelphia'S, which unfortunately I'm not going to be able to go to her show, but you know, I'm just going to probably you know, take a break from that. But the upside is that I wanted to tell you that her new single just got released, which is called Last Chance, which if you guys remember Out My Body, which you gave it a like or support, and so she's back to singing again. Yeah, so her new song's called Last Chance, and it just came out on iTunes, and it's really a hit. So it's already promoted #1, and Mom got a plaque for Out My Body, which was back in, I believe, July, when she performed at Keenan's in Wildwood. So, and that's really emotional and overwhelming thing that she got. So it's awesome. So hopefully it continues that way, and she becomes the best singer around. So she was the popular singer back in the 90s, but it's not what you think that she's actually better than ever. But yeah, she's my mom, so I love and support her. So to you, Mom. Anyway, her sound check's tomorrow, so I'm gonna be able to film it for Adelphia'S for you guys, and I'll see you guys then. So yep, I can't wait. All right, cats, we're here at Adelphia'S right here, and we got the fish right here. And over here is the freestyle into fall. And there's my mom right here. There she goes. October 21st, which is today. And we're going to go over here. And this is where it's taking place. And we're getting all set up. And my mom should be here any minute, along with Vince, I believe. But look at this dance floor right here. And Mom's going to do her sound check here. There's all the other guys over here. My dad's over here, and look, take a look at this. And that's the DJ's booth up there. I believe my dad's gonna be part of the DJ a little bit. We're going up here. Okay, we got 3 disco balls up here, or maybe 4 actually. And there's some lights up there. And my mom just got here. And she is.
Okay.
I got you. How are you? I hear you.
Somewhere inside of me, somewhere inside of me, I just can't hide.
Nope.
Check. 1, 2. Yeah. In the house.
That's right, Marco. Yep.
Cheers, brainchild. Right, Chica?
Just want to get you in your monitor first.
Check 1, 2.
So you think my heart is made of stone, and I'm just a plaything. You've been taking me for granted. I know your games, but I don't care what you might say, and I don't hear a word you're saying. I just want to let you know that I'm tired of playing your game. I gave you all the love I had, but you just don't understand that I need love just like you, and I'm searching for a man. Last chance, baby, to love me. One more chance. Last chance, baby, to love me. Up and down. Last chance, last chance, baby, to love me.
This is my lady. How do I get to see you guys? Gino Cat.
What we're gonna do right here is go back,
Let me hear you something.
way back to the time.
I'm never gonna special guest. Not only is he my friend, he's a mentor, and he's so stinking cute. We can switch it on. Take it away, Mike.
All my dreams became reality. From the first day that I loved you,
Show him how it's done.
all the pain disappeared from sight. I want you more and more. I need you day and night. Let's go.
We're gonna take you right back to 1990. Love that you're doing this one, great.
I know. I remember this song. Love this song.
Go ahead, baby. Let me hear you. One song.
All right. See if I can do this.
You do whatever you pop.
I'm gonna try and remember everything. It's been a while.
There was a time when not a day was on the face. 'Cause in my heart there was an empty space of feeling or needing someone here next to me. How could you tell, girl? How could you see that I was waiting for a girl like you to give me the love that I never knew? You took me by the hand and made me understand. You wanted me to be your own man. All my dreams became reality from the first day that our love came to be. All of the pain
Listen, when there's bodies in here,
But I can just cue by you if it's messing you up. I just won't go. So you sound more natural.
right, I wanted to.
But normally I want to crush
No,
you.
I want to crush everybody.
Yeah, but not if it's gonna make you not perform.
And I want it to be even.
Yeah.
I don't want the track it. Like I don't want to like. That's how.
Because usually that would be a lot louder than this.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I mean,
But if
this
it's,
is your
I'll be
business.
watching you. If it's messing you up, especially come up here, 'cause that's where you hear it the most, I guess. Come up and just point to me. Like if you go down, I'm going to know it's the main. It's not.
Okay.
All right.
And honestly, I kid you not. Usually I just
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
not like really confident.
So he'll just be hitting play and letting you go.
Let me go.
Yeah, I'm not touching it. Okay.
Don't touch a thing.
Okay. All right, cool.
While we're playing at that one CDJ, if my music is up, am I going to get monitor or we're not going to get a monitor?
Your monitor's hooked to your mixer.
Yeah, but where is the monitor itself?
Right there. So your amp, is the amp one? I think your amp's on.
My amp?
The monitor amp, if you turn it off.
Well, Caps, I hope you enjoyed the video of when my mom did my sound check, and it was really cool. By the way, unfortunately, I wasn't able to go to her show, but I was able to watch it on Facebook Live though, so it was great, and it was really fun, and it got a lot of views. It exploded. It really was great. So good luck to her, and she was really good. And don't forget to check out her new song on iTunes called "Last Chance," and it was really a hit. So I hope she can make more and more singles in the future. I'm glad you enjoyed this video, so I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you give it a like and subscribe new to MIKEY Productions if you want to see some information, if you like what I do. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can find me on Snapchat and I'm MIKEY Cap. Alright, MIKEY Productions, signing out. Until then, thanks for watching. Peace out.